welcome back to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing and coming back. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when I do upload new videos. I try to keep it on a schedule, but they're kind of sporadic because life happens and it gets crazy and busy. So it is what it is. So anyway, so obviously if you clicked on this video, you want to know about the MILK Makeup Matcha Toner. Don't mind this. This is like the little sticker on the back, but it was like wrapped around and then it got like sticky on there, so I didn't want to pull it all the way off because the container then was like super sticky, and I hate sticky things. I hate sticky. So I was like, ew, I don't want it. So anyway, that's why the sticker's on there funny. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I got the little one because if you are a subscriber or you're somebody that frequently watches my videos, you would know that I like trying out mini sizes, travel sized products. One, they're cheaper. Two, they're cheaper. Especially if I don't like them, then I feel like I haven't spent all this money on like the full-size product, and then I'm like disappointed about it. And I don't typically like buy something and then like, okay, I just don't like this, so I'm gonna send it back. I don't know. I mean, if something was defective, then yeah, I would send it back, but I don't typically just send stuff back. I don't know. Maybe my thinking is a little skewed on that. I don't know. So anyway, I tend to buy the smaller sizes. So this is the 0.22 ounce container that they sell. So let's see. Let's read a little bit about it. So on here it says, I'm reading off the Sephora website. It says, which skin type is it good for? Normal, oily, combination, and dry skin. So it's supposed to be good for like everybody. It's a solid toner stick infused with matcha to detoxify pores and balance skin. So like that's my biggest issue, are like my pores right here, a little bit down here, and like on my nose. Like I just have larger pores, and that's typically like my trouble spot, trouble area, issue, skin issue. So so I saw this and I was like, ooh, let's try it. It says solutions for pores, dryness, dullness, and uneven skin tone. And then it says, if you want to know more, the world's first solid facial toner removes oil and detoxifies pores. Use matcha solid toner after cleansing and before your preferred serum and moisturizer to banish excess oil and balance skin. It's packed with matcha green tea to detoxify and purify pores, while ingredients like kombucha and witch hazel help diminish the appearance of pores and absorb excess oil. Cactus elixir calms and hydrates skin. The unique gel stick formula gently glides onto skin and provides a cool, refreshing sensation upon application. And then it goes on to say that this is like TSA friendly, travel friendly size. What it's formulated without: paraben, sulfates, and phthalates. And then it says the solid toner stick is cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, talc-free, oil-free, alcohol-free, and fragrance-free. So, I'm sorry. If you're wondering why like I get so out of breath, it's because I feel like I'm like 20 months pregnant. It's hot, and that just is what it is. You know, all the extra blood circulating, my heart pumping. So if you're new to my channel and you don't realize that like I'm super big and pregnant, I am, and that's why I get a little short of breath. So it's not my normal, it's not my usual, it's not gonna last forever. Just a little disclaimer, because I get annoyed with it. I'm like, oh God, why am I so out of breath? I get annoyed with it, and I've been super congested like the whole pregnancy, just extra fluid, extra, you know, physiological things going on in your body. It is what it is. Like I said, it won't last forever. So I do apologize. Okay, and then it goes on to say MILK Makeup believes you should have good ingredients plus epic payoff because compromise is cool, but not in your beauty routine. They care about what they put in their formulas just as much as what they leave out. They're cruelty-free, paraben-free, and 100% vegan. It's clean, cool beauty. You know, so anyway, it goes on to talk about milk makeup a little bit. By all means, you can get on there and read that. And then it says how to use. Swipe solid stick gently onto skin after cleansing. Pat excess into skin with fingertips. For best results, use after washing with the matcha cleanser stick. So I didn't get the matcha cleanser stick. I was like, you know what? Let's just see what this does, because a lot of people aren't typically going to buy both of those. And I was like, you know, I want to try the toner stick. If it claims that it's supposed to do all these things and help pores, let's give it a try. So I've actually been using this for almost a month. I think I'm like 1 day shy of a full 4 weeks. So it's just the timing of when I could do this video. But I was like, you know what? Within a month, I should notice something. Like, I should notice some kind of difference. I don't know. I would think I would notice something at this point. And I mean, you can see how much of the product, well, maybe you can't. Ew. It's so sticky. Maybe you could see it there. See how much of the product I've used? Like, there's a lot left. I mean, I can continue to use it, but I would think with all those claims that I would notice something by now. And I've been using it at least once a day, if not twice a day, in the morning and at night, like it said, wiping it on, patting it into my skin, and then putting my moisturizer on. So I'll go ahead and insert my before picture here. So you can see I definitely have like enlarged pores, especially on my cheek, more so like my right than my left. So that's like my problem area. Okay, so you can see that. So I really want to target that, because that's where I put my foundation and stuff on. Sometimes it settles into those pores. So I'm always looking for a primer or something to help diminish that. But I feel like a lot of the times all that stuff does is fill in the pores, you know what I mean? And then it gives you that flawless finished look or what have you. But I was hoping that because this claims to do and like do all the things it says it's supposed to do, like diminish the pores, like detoxify them, make them smaller, you know, with other things I do, like I do other skincare, but I haven't been doing that stuff along with this because I wanted to see what this product alone did for my skin. And here, let's go ahead and insert my after picture. So you can see, I don't see a huge difference. I'll go ahead and insert both of them side by side. So you can see the before and the after. Still a lot of issues, especially on the right cheek. Like you can just, you know, it's not as significant as what I was hoping it was going to be. There might be a little bit of a difference, but again, not much, that not 100% sold on it that I would want to go and buy the full size. Like I said, I bought this travel size for, of course it's not going to load, and I clicked out of it, sorry. For, you know, even the smaller size was $14, and I believe the larger size is $26. So I don't see enough of a difference. Now again, I didn't use it with the cleanser. I mean, is the cleanser really gonna make that big of a deal? I don't know, because I didn't put them together. I've just been using this, like I said, in the morning, before makeup and all that or whatever, wash my face, do what they said, glide it on. And I've been focusing mainly in this area here to even out, you know, the skin tone and detoxify the pores, you know, whatever it said. But primarily focusing in here in the morning and then putting my moisturizer on if I'm doing makeup. So again, I've been diligent with doing it before that routine, and then at night washing my face and putting this on. And then this was the only thing sitting on my face like all night long. So I don't know, kind of disappointing. I was really hoping that this was going to be like the kicker for me, this like all amazing product, but hey, it is what it is. I tried it. I will say, let me zoom you in. So let's see, how close can I get you? So I will say, like, the immediate, so again, I feel like maybe it's more of just an immediate thing. So you glide it on. And my face is clean, I just washed it, it's my own. And then pat in the excess. So between doing this, so putting it in, and then you kind of get maybe slightly, so doing that, and then I would put on my moisturizer, and then if I was doing my makeup, I'd put on my primer, so by the time I'm done like putting all these things on my face, naturally it's gonna look like that area is getting filled in. You know what I mean? Like, it's just products filling into the pores for the short term, you know, when doing your makeup. And I feel like that's what a lot of products do. Like, is there, I don't know, do you guys have any products that you're like, ooh, this really worked for me, I really feel like it was making a difference? Because I feel like a lot of these skincare products that I get, like, what was the last one I used? The Farsali, the purple one, is that the unicorn drops? I felt like, oh, this is really doing something for my skin, but only when, I don't sound oxymoronic, but it was only when I would put it on. It wasn't like, oh, the next day I'd wake up and I'd be like, gosh, my skin looks so good. You get what I'm saying? Like, it had an immediate effect only when I was using it, not like a lasting effect. Does that make sense? So, let me zoom you back out. So just to give you a little bit of an idea of how it goes on, what it looks like once you put it on, I don't know, that's that. It was interesting to test it out. I thought I'd share that with you because it seems like it would be like a big product that people are like, ooh, let's try this, because obviously everybody's really into the matcha tea and all that, like the matcha craze. So anyway, I hope you found this video informative in some type of way, or what have you. I don't know. Anyway, hopefully it was somewhat helpful. But I appreciate you stopping by and checking this out. Again, if you're new, please subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when I do upload new videos. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whenever you're watching this. Bye.